Hello and thank you for joining us as we take a closer look at the 2022 1kg silver Year of the Tiger coins from the Perth Mint. The 2022 Tigers are the latest in the Perth Mint's Lunar series, and this kilo coin is the most recent release. The Lunar series celebrates the 12 animals in the Chinese lunar calendar, which begins with the mouse and ends with the pig. The tiger is the third animal in the cycle. Jennifer McKenna's design can be seen on the reverse, which shows an adult tiger and its cub walking on rocks among bamboo and ferns. The Chinese character for tiger can be seen at the top of the coin, while the Mint's P mint mark can be seen on the left of the coin. The obverse features the Jodie Clark portrait of Queen Elizabeth and shows the weight of the coin, the silver fineness of 4 nines, and its monetary denomination of $30. For more information on these coins and the rest of the Mint's Lunar series, please click the links below. Thank you for watching. For more information on these coins, please sign up to our mailing list by clicking the links below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and TikTok.